have 4 wheels, and can go fast or slow. What am I? A car. I fly high in the sky, but I'm not a bird. What am I? An aeroplane. I'm long and flexible, and I move along metal tracks. What am I? A train. I have 2 wheels and handlebars. You pedal me to go far. What am I? A bicycle. I'm big and yellow, and carry kids to school. What am I? A school bus. I'm small and colorful, and I spin around with a breeze. What am I? A kite. I have a steering wheel and sails, and I race across the water. What am I? A sailboat. I'm long and sleek and swim in the sea. What am I? A submarine. I'm big and loud and help put out fires. What am I? A fire truck. I'm small and colorful. In busy streets, I'll take you for a ride, with a driver in front, and space in the back. What am I? An auto rickshaw.